In this video, we're going to replace the inner primary seal and the jack shaft starter oil seal. It's on the inner primary cover. To do this, I'm going to take out the shaft, or what's called the starter jack shaft. Take that out. On the back side, you're going to see a seal right there. We're going to push that right through using a screwdriver and a hammer. There's the old seal. And now where that bearing sits, seal right here. Pop that right out with the screwdriver. Take a clean rag and wipe everything out. Any dirt, anything that's in there, get it out of there. Take your new seal. Just tap it in with your hammer. Then I take a flat-headed punch, lightly tap it down, bottom it out. Make sure it's seated well, and that seal is in and done. Flip the housing around, take the starter jack shaft seal, put it in facing out, drop it in there. Just gonna take my flat punch and tap that right into place. There you go. Now when you do that with the punch, you gotta be careful. You don't want to go through that seal or damage that seal in any way. So hit the outside lip of that seal. So now both seals are installed. Jack shaft seal, primary housing seal. One last thing we're gonna do. Take a little bit of grease and just put it on that seal lip. So when this goes all back together, seals have some lubrication on them. Put your jack shaft back in for the starter. And this is all set, ready to go back in. So in the meantime, while I'm waiting for more parts to come in, go ahead and check out the other videos on this whole process of working in here in the primary, stator, and all that stuff getting done. I'll put links in the description for you. Take care, goodbye, and God bless everybody.